Hi, I'm Lisa Dorfman, the running nutritionist and chef ambassador for Fullei Fresh. I am so glad to be with you this month. I'm glad to be with you every month, but May is such a special time, especially for moms. You know, Mother's Day comes during May. It's a time of springtime, of sunshine, of beautiful flowers and fruits in season. And so today I want to feature our spicy sprouts. So getting a little spicy as we're getting out of our hibernation from COVID, and we want to get out, we want to have a good time, and I feel like the spicy sprouts are just the right way to do this. The spicy sprouts just add a little bit of kick to all your salads, your wraps, even a topping on a soup. Well, today what I've prepared for you is something super delicious. I love tamales. Tamales are about 8,000 years old. 8,000 BC is when tamales were, you know, kind of created way back in time. And tamales are like a little, I see them as like a little portable sandwich. The reason why I like tamales so much is they're like a comfort food. And listen, you can make tamales super duper healthy, or you can make them uber rich. I've made them super healthy today, of course, incorporating our spicy sprouts. You take the mesa flour and you mix it with water, and then it's kind of like you're making your own smoothie. You could add whatever you like. I made vegan tamales today. So what I did was I added onions and roasted garlic and roasted red peppers, actually. And I have a few tricks up my sleeve. We have a little local Jamaican woman who makes her own Scotch bonnet chili pepper. You only need like a little bit, and it gives it a huge kick. And the other thing that I like to use, this particular jalapeno infused olive oil comes from California, but there are so many local varieties. So you don't have to create your own olive oils. There are infused, delicious infused ones. And these ingredients layer the flavors. So you take the tamale, there's a tamale filling that you use. You could use kidney beans, you could use pinto beans, and you make a kind of mash that you add to your mesa flour. I call it like the base. And basically you wrap it up like a little present. You steam these. I love to use the Instapot because the Instapot is only like 20 minutes. And inside you'll have this delicious, it's like a cornmeal, bean infused, certainly spicy mix infused, sprouted tamale. With that, because it's so good and so comforting, we need a little bit of crunch. So I've taken wax jambu, or in season, wax jambu, or a kind of Asian pear-like vegetable. And I've made a wax Jambu Salsa because it just, along with the comfort mesa grounded soft tamale, the wax Jambu Salsa is just crunchy and light and uplifting. And to serve on the side, I took some watermelon and just grilled it. Voila! What an easy dessert, what an easy meal. I'm thrilled to share those spicy sprouts with you. They're so delicious, and I hope they bring you lovely, lovely meals for May and for June, and I'll see you next month with next month's special recipes. Thank you for joining me.